Good evening friends, welcome back again to my channel. Today I'm going to Jembatan Finisi Bridge. This bridge has a very good location and you can see the very good point from there. And you can see like there's a financial hub on the back side. This is actually the financial hub. All the corporates, financial buildings are here. Like this is the bank area. So today mostly I will do all of my vlog in English so that all the people from other countries can understand my language, because I am doing it in my native language, so only Hindi people can understand. So most of the people, they don't understand, and it looks like quite disturbing for me and very bad for me. They don't understand me what I'm trying to say. So I will try my best. I will try my level best to do all of my vlogs, especially these kind of vlogs in English, and I hope you can enjoy the cinematic view. See all the skyscrapers, buildings, like massive. This is Keppel, Prudential, Arcane. This is basically the financial hub in the center of Jakarta. I think Grand Sahit Jaya. I think this is hotel or something. So Grand Sahit Jaya. Yes, there is the RR's chocolate. Some kind of chocolate and coffee shop. This is I think one of the best hotels here. As I told you before, like bank area, financial hub, so ICBC is there, Bank of China is there, there's something airline office as well on the back of me. Brazil. Today's humidity level is very high. Actually I'm sweating right now because of the humidity, the heat, and the temperature is not so high. Like it's almost like 33 or 32 or 33, but the level of humidity is high. Also there is an earthquake last night, like around 6.5 or something near the Java island, so it occurs in this Jakarta city as well. It also affected this city, but unfortunately from the God grace there is no like loss or something. God grace. This is station Sudirman Karet, just over there. BRI Bank Capital. Looks like all the way from here to there, a financial hub. This is the one I was talking about. Yeah, this is the one I was talking about. Jembatan Finisi Bridge. That's why I came here to see, because in the night it glows. Most of the people come here for their TikTok videos, YouTubers. Some of them come for their weddings, photography, shootings, and in the night time it glows. Like I didn't saw physically, but I saw in the pictures in the Google. So it looks like with the colorful lights, and it looks beautiful. Let the sun goes down completely, let the darks come in, and let's see how it goes, how it looks like. Okay, so I'm here at the top of the bridge, not at the very top, but it's one up to go. So it basically connects one corner to the another, that one, and it's basically for pedestrians and this bicycles as well, not the motorbike, only the bicycles. Let's go up and let's see what we have on of the top. Uh, there is something written in this local language, but I don't understand. But I will show you. Look at the view from the top. Incredible, especially at this point of time, around 5:30 p.m. or 6 p.m. now. Let's go up a little bit and let's see what's going on here. So this is the very top. View is awesome from here. Look, some of the ladies clicking the photos, and after that I'll go there and shoot also myself, because I didn't take too much of photographs of myself in this video, but I will do the most. Actually, I came from there and I came up, up, and from there to here and on the very top. I hope you can enjoy the top view from here. See? And especially at this point of time when it's dark and the sun goes down, and it's almost like around 6 p.m. so you can see the view from the top. So please try to come like around this time only. It's around 5:30 to between 5:30 to 6 p.m. Like when the sun is almost like down, and you can see the view from here, especially the black clouds. It's going to rain soon, and yeah, that's it from today, from this bridge. And I hope you all like my video of today, especially when I do the conversation in the English, because it's very easy to understand to the people who are viewing my channel from other countries as well. So I just want to make sure that people understand my language, what I try to convey, what I try to want to see you along with me. So this bridge was Jembatan Finisi village. I hope you like this video. Make sure you like and comment to my video. Your suggestion is valuable to me. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I will give you more and more of content like this. Take care. Bye bye. See you all.